एप्पल हैड अ स्ट्रैटेजी कि वो ये सब चीज़ों के अंदर चक्कर में नहीं पड़ेंगे. सैमसंग यही काम करता था, नोकिया यही करता था, माइक्रोमैक्स ने ये किया, मोटोरोला डिड द सेम थिंग.
राइट.
हर कंपनी ने किया, एप्पल ने नहीं किया.
राइट.
डू यू थिंक दैट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट?
So Apple was a very different story than the whole Android ecosystem.
Okay.
See, Android is an open ecosystem where you have an OS and then you could build applications around that. That's the success story. Whereas in Apple, it's a closed ecosystem, right? So they can, their strategy was very, very different than the Android ecosystem story. In Android, you have to have multiple offerings.
Okay.
Right? And everybody was doing, if you are not doing that, then you're like a one product company. And then for India, it won't work. See, because मैं उस टाइम पे अगर मैं मतलब 70,000 रुपये का फ़ोन बनाता, हाउ मेनी पीपल वुड हैव
बॉट इट? तो इंडिया पे उस टाइम पे ही नहीं चलता.
उस इंडिया में हर 100 रुपये में मार्केट चेंज होती है.
आज चलता है इंडिया में भी, बिकॉज एप्पल इज क्रेजी राइट नाउ.
एप्पल इज डूइंग phenomenal here, but markets have also changed. Our per capita income has grown. The country is growing. People want to move towards premiumization. Smartphones penetration is very high. उस टाइम तो स्मार्टफोन, we were the first one to start the smartphones. स्मार्टफोन्स थे ही नहीं, हम तो फीचर फोन से करते करते ट्रांजिशन किया स्मार्टफोन के अंदर. So that was a lot of learning for us at that time.
Okay, do you feel कि पहले इंडिया प्राइस सेंसिटिव था और अब प्राइस सेंसिटिविटी कम होते जा रही है?
No, India will always be a price sensitive,
आज भी प्राइस सेंसिटिव है?
आज भी प्राइस सेंसिटिव है, but those people who were like buying low cost products, now they move to, this chain. So those people who want to buy more premium products are growing rapidly and fast. But are we price sensitive or not? Yes.
आज भी
प्राइस सेंसिटिव तो है.
एंड आज अगर कोई भी नया बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर रहा है इन एनी फील्ड, कंज्यूमर प्रोडक्ट स्टार्ट कर रहा है, डू यू फील कि उस इंसान को लग्जरी में जाना चाहिए, प्रीमियम में जाना चाहिए, मिड रेंज में जाना चाहिए, लो पे जाना चाहिए? कहाँ पे स्कोप है इंडिया में? बिकॉज आज से 15 साल पहले, 20 साल पहले जब बात करते वहाँ पे हर कोई ये बोलता था कि लग्जरी प्रीमियम तो बात ही मत करो, इंडिया में है ही नहीं, देयर इज नो मार्केट. टुडे दैट्स नॉट द स्टोरी. व्हाट डू यू फील आज सबसे ज़्यादा ग्रोथ कहाँ पे हो सकती है? इफ़ यू हैव टू स्टार्ट अ कंज्यूमर प्रोडक्ट, आज कहाँ करोगे?
आपने जो बनाया है, सो रादर देन कि वो कहाँ पे जाएगा, how I used to make products, or still working on that, who is the end user, and उसकी need क्या है, and am I able to give him the features what he's looking at, or am I able to satisfy that, और वो उसको किस प्राइस पे लेगा. Then I started reverse कि अब मैं इसका, so मैंने पहले प्राइस डिसाइड कर लिया, and then I started doing the reverse thing, rather than making a product and then deciding the price.
Okay,
I will always decide the price first and then start working backwards on that.
Okay, tell me what went wrong with Micromax. क्या हुआ? मतलब आप एकदम पिनाकल पे थे. आप इंडिया में नंबर 1 हो गए थे, आपका मार्केट शेयर सबसे बड़ा हो गया था, सारी बड़ी ब्रांड्स को बीट कर दिया था, लोकल हो इंटरनेशनल हो सबसे खेल गए थे, राइट? यू वर द टॉक ऑफ द कंट्री. फिर क्या हुआ? कहाँ माइक्रोमैक्स एकदम से गायब ही हो गया?
No, so see, this is what okay, it's good that you asked me this. So a lot of people have different misconceptions there. So what happened with Micromax was not only Micromax, it was a global phenomena. It was a global phenomena. There were a lot of brands globally at that time. वो हमारे बारे में सिर्फ इसलिए था because we were the biggest in the world.
In the world?
In the world, in terms of the brands which were away from all these different multinationals, so-called, right? So we were in top 10 in the world.
Yeah, I know. Globally top 10. Yes.
So the global phenomenon was the whole supply chain started shifting. So when the supply chain started shifting to different brands,
matlab
supply chain means when you don't. So for example, what was my success phenomena? I will be the first one to, for example, if the Qualcomm is coming with a new chipset, I will be the first one to come up with that. I will give you the fastest on something, and that's what we were doing. If there's a new quad core or octa core coming in, I will be the first one to do that, right?
ठीक है. तो Micromax सबसे पहले कहीं से भी चीजें लेके आया था.
Yes. And we were innovating. But globally, the supply chain started shifting, towards the other brand, to the other country.
China.
And when that started shifting, then because we were not having that ecosystem of components here
in India.
Yeah. So suppose करो मुझे आज, let's take an example of today. Today, if I have to make a triple screen phone,
इनोवेशन करना है,
ठीक है, मैं नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि वो यहाँ पे है ही नहीं. right? I have to go to some other
China,
place,
हाँ.
and then they will say कि boss, there is a very large player who is doing something like this, and उसने मेरे को साल भर के लिए ब्लॉक किया हुआ है, मैं दे ही नहीं सकता आपको. तो जब मैं लॉन्च ही नहीं कर सकता, तो मेरे पास एज कहाँ से रही?
तो इसलिए हुआई, जैसे हुआई ने
three screen, yeah. So people need to understand that. And that is not only India phenomena, it's global. There were brands in Mexico, there were brands in Spain, there were brands in France, there were brands in so many other countries.
सब
So everything, you know, so it was a global phenomena. But of course, people remember, you know, us,
हाँ, इंडिया
because we were the largest, player on that. But so we try to do that कि हमने कहा 2 साल तक let us do that. But we realized that how much money can you burn? It was, you know, from doing something else, it was burning of money. You can burn money.
Burn money कैसे?
No, because see, when they were people coming in. So if you're making, let's say, something at 100 rupees, you have to sell at, let's say, 120. But if somebody comes and they say, okay, this is 100 rupees, I'm going to sell it 95. I can say 95, okay, no problem, done. Then they say no, 90, and I'll say 90. Then say 80. You say 80. You can still do that. When you know by, you know, end of the tunnel, after 2 years, you're going to win. But if on the other side, there's endless supply, so what will you do? So this is a good lesson, by the way. So we realized that, and we said, okay, this is, you know, the happening wherein, मतलब यहाँ bouncer पे bouncer ही पड़ रहे हैं. So eventually you have to wait for your time. मतलब उस टाइम ये हो रहा है कि full toss पे भी bold हो रहे हो. हाँ. Right? So you will get a time, you know, when you can hit the ball out of the park. Where can we focus? And that was the time when we started focusing on manufacturing. We said, let's focus on manufacturing. That is where, you know, the country will grow. And that is where the need to be. And that's why our now on manufacturing business will be way more bigger than the brand business. Way more bigger, multiple times bigger.
In terms of revenue?
Yes.
Today you're bigger?
Eventually, yeah, our run rate.
In 2-3 years you will be bigger?
No. Right now, it's going on very good.
थैंक यू सो मच ये क्लिप एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको और भी ऐसी क्लिप्स देखनी है तो राज शमानी क्लिप्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए.